Hi, want to know how to measure your SPO2 aka blood oxygen on your Huawei Watch Fit 3? So, as a first step, we would need to click on the digital crown to open applications on our watch, and here find this application which looks like a little blood cell. Then we would need to open it, and after this we would be able immediately do the measurement. But before you'll start the measurement, make sure that your watch is snugged on your wrist tight, because this will lead to more accurate results. And now let's click measure and wait until the measurement will be ended. And now we have successfully done our measurement, and as you can see, my result is 96%, which is normal because if your blood oxygen drops lower than 95, it may be the time to visit the doctor. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.